In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stream on Facebook with Streamlabs. To get started, the first thing you need to do is download and install Streamlabs desktop on your computer. Once the installation is complete, open the app and go through the initial setup. This setup helps Streamlabs prepare your system for streaming, and it's a good foundation before you connect anything else. Next, log into Streamlabs desktop. If you already have a Streamlabs account, sign in as usual. If not, you can create one and then continue. After you're signed in, you'll be ready to connect Facebook, so Streamlabs can send your broadcast directly there. Now head to the settings area by clicking the gear icon. From there, open the stream section and click connect. Choose Facebook from the list of platforms, then log into your Facebook account and allow Streamlabs the permissions it needs to access your profile or page. If you plan to stream to a Facebook page, make sure you have admin access to that page. Otherwise, the option may not work correctly. Once Facebook is connected, it's time to build your stream layout. Add the sources you want your audience to see and hear. For example, use game capture for PC games, display capture to show your whole screen, or window capture if you only want to show one specific app. You can also add a video capture device for your webcam and audio input capture for your microphone. On top of that, Streamlabs lets you improve the presentation with overlays, alerts, a chat box, and goal widgets, which can make your stream feel more polished and interactive. After your layout is ready, adjust your stream settings. In settings, go to output. If your computer supports it, use the hardware NVENC encoder. Otherwise, choose X264. For bitrate, aim for around 2500 to 4000 kbps for 720p or 4500 to 6000 kbps for 1080p out. Set the keyframe interval to 2, and if you're using NVENC, choose the quality preset, then open settings and go to video. Set your base resolution to 1920 by 1080. For output resolution, use 1920 by 1080 or lower it to 1280 by 720 if your computer or internet connection needs a lighter setup. For frame rate, choose 30 or 60 FPS depending on your system performance and the type of content you're streaming. When you're ready, click Go live. Enter your stream title and description, then choose whether you want to stream to your personal profile or a Facebook page. Review everything carefully, and when it looks good, click confirm and go live. Once you're live, keep monitoring your chat messages, viewer count, CPU usage, dropped frames, and bitrate stability so you can catch issues early and keep the stream running smoothly.